On the last episode.
Huh? Now?
Yo, dudes, for the freshest boards in the galaxy, check out the new XZ88 from Gadgetron. It's so hot, it's cool.
You have to be with the company for 2 years before the employee discount kicks in. I can, however, let you have this.
Mom?
Oh, brother.
I tried, Mom.
Our synthetic world is now fully functional and ready for habitation. However, there is one small obstacle in our way. Behold, the Deplanetizer! I will, of course, be on hand to press the button that will blow this mudball to smithereens.
He is going to pay.
Excuse me? I will try to make you proud, Mom.
And so it continues. We will have to do the swimming section again, though, because there is a gold bolt we need to grab. I only have like 2 HP, so I might die, actually. Ooh. You know, when this game is running in 30 FPS, it's a lot easier to dodge those. Okay, and then we go left here instead. Huzzah, we did it! Luckily, we don't have to go all the way back through all the hazards again. We can just go to the end again. God, you can tell it's the freaking winter time, man. Getting the snifflies for no reason. Since we're here, we might as well go back to that other planet just to use the code bot up. Just get it done and over with. Plus, I want to go through and check. Oh, it doesn't tell. Oh, I thought it did. It doesn't tell us on the screen whether or not we have all the gold bolts. Oh, we have to go here. Okay. Let's just go through and check all these, because I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. So we got all of them there. All of them here. Oh, we're missing one here. Oh, I know where that is. Actually, we can do that right now. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go back and try and get all the gold bolts that I missed, if I did miss any. Oh yeah, cool. Just take my input. No, get back on land, please. I cannot believe I didn't die there. That's insane. You do get a couple of seconds of swimming on the surface before you instantly die. They change that in future games because obviously being able to swim in a location where you're not supposed to be able to swim is not very good. Oh man. I'm pretty sure we don't need to use the trespasser anymore. We will need the Hydro Displacer for the last planet in the game, so... 90,000 bolts, eh? I mean, if anything, we got close. We'll probably be able to reach 100,000 for sure on the last planet, but we'll be 50,000 off. So, I mean, even if we didn't buy the Taunter, the HP upgrade, or the Devastator, we still would be like 25,000 bolts off. Which, it kind of goes to show, like, how much effort you have to put in just to get the Rhino in the first playthrough of the game. They really made this weapon super expensive. In future games in the series, they give you ways to earn bolts, like reasonably earn bolts, to buy the super ultimate mega weapons in those games. But in this game, there's no real way to do it. So if you remember, this place flooded, and it hasn't undone, so... But now that we're back, we can grab this thing. Now that we have the O2 mask. We could have came back here when we got just the O2 mask, but having the Hydro Pack makes it a little faster. But we essentially have to swim... I think it's over here? Yeah, it's right here. We also could have done this when he was filling up the first time, but I'm pretty sure once we get up here, there's no escape, or something like that. Yeah, you can't escape this place once you're up here, so we would have had to intentionally died if we wanted this on our first run through here. Thinking about it now, I think there might be a gold bolt that we missed on planet Hoven. Potentially. Because I don't remember picking it up when I was there, because I was going through it, man. Okay, got those ones, got those ones. Oh. I know where one is. We can't get the other one without buying a specific weapon. I forgot about those. I will grab those after we do the grind for the Rhino, though. So we can skip these for now. One of them we can actually get right now, but I'll wait to come back to this planet for later. Okay, we did pick up all the ones there. There is one here. Where the heck was it? Okay. Oh, think I know where it is. I think I know where it is. Hopefully we land where I think we're gonna land. Okay, we did good. Alright, time to go through this planet again. We'll have to go pretty deep to get the gold bolt here, I think. Plus, we need to get to the end of this planet anyway, because there's crates that were left behind that I want to grab. I don't know if I want to kill these enemies again. Kind of like, yeah, I think I'm going to try and skip past most of the enemies. Luckily the crates are giving a decent amount of bolts still, so... Okay. Ooh, there's still those fighter thingies. I took damage there? Excuse me? I'm about to die. This game is being kind of bullshit. Like, excuse me? Yeah, cool, just come out of nowhere, why don't you? There shouldn't be anything there, yeah. Stupid gremlins. Oh yeah, no, that's great. Jesus, man. I just want to skip past all this bullshit, but no. Has to be impossible. I mean, the cool thing is that these crates are dropping more than one bolt, so I am getting quite a bit of money out of this, actually, which is kind of nice. Yeah, I saw you. I saw you. I think it's up there that I need to go. How do I get up there? Or no, it's over there. There we go. No, that's not what I'm gonna do to get over there. There we go. Yeah, let's just skip over it. Why not? And there's one of these towers here. I wonder what that tower did. Oh, wait a minute. What? Oh, dude, I don't think I was supposed to be able to go through here. Oh, I'm about to die. Never mind, I'm okay. Oh, I think there's supposed to be a gate here. Like an electrical gate. We're supposed to use a certain weapon in order to open that. That is kind of interesting. I think it's the emulator that caused that gate not to be there. Okay, well, I'll take that. We can save that. Saves us coming back here again, I suppose. Yeah, we're supposed to use... There's a weapon in the game that you can get that allows you to control, like, a rocket that you can fly around. And, it's basically the weapon we require to get the one of the gold bolts on the planet Orxon. And I'm pretty sure we were supposed to use it there too, but freebie, I suppose. I'll take it. I don't know what it is, but returning the planets is lagging the game out quite a bit. Nope. Nope. Let's fly upwards, thank you. Alright, now we just need to go to the end of the planet, because there are some crates at the end that we can pick up. I'm pretty sure there is. I don't think we'll have to do the arena thing again. We might, but not like it's really that much of an issue for us. Oh, I guess we do. Now, if you really wanted to, you could just pull up the blaster here too. If this is still giving you an issue, you just pull up the blaster and shoot these things once, rather than, you know, forcing yourself to stop moving and swing a wrench. Why is that guy over there not traveling with the crew? I like how after they hit each other too, they'll like turn around and fire back at themselves. It's kind of funny. Yeah, so I mean, returning this planet, we got 2,000 volts out of it at least, which is, you know, it's not nothing. Pays for the taunter that I used to show off the exploit. Eh, 3,000 instead. Alright, let's continue our gold bolt hunting. Yeah, we grabbed all those. Ooh. Trying to think, where would this one be? Because we grabbed the one that's at the very end of the level. Oh, I know where it is. Durr. We were supposed to come back to this planet anyway with the Cobot. Yes. Thank you for lagging, Planet. I appreciate that. Yep. Keep doing it. I'm glad that the crates that respawn here continue to give me bolts, though. That's pretty cool. I thought they were supposed to, like, just get less and less until every crate's only giving me one bolt each. Oh yeah, cool. is what the cobot is used for. Like a glove. Ooh, that gave me a lot of bolts. Did you see that? Jesus. We have 110,000 bolts now. We actually might have a chance of getting the Rhino now. I didn't know that that room gave me so many bolts. What the heck? Holy crap. Yeah, we might be able to squeak it out then, even after my dumb purchases that I've done. It's still 40k away though, maybe not. Wow, that was really good for us though. I mean, it's less time I have to do in the exploit. And less time I have to go AFK for that, the better. Okay, then I grabbed all the ones there. Cool. So the only ones I'm missing is one from here, obviously, which I will be getting as I go through the fleet here. The two on Orxon, and then I think there's one or two on the last planet in the game. So we're almost done on the gold ones too. Why does returning to a planet always make me so laggy? Makes no sense, dude. To the missile cruiser. I think we literally have to go here. So here we get to use our robot again. Hopefully the game figures the shit out and stops lagging. That'd be kind of nice. So again, we have robots here. Luckily, this one doesn't have a button, so... Ooh, we have to talk to that guy. So he pressed the button there, but because we were behind the door, like, nothing can shoot us. And eventually he'll reset. These buttons themselves will turn into like a spot that a turret can spawn. And then there's also sometimes there's like weird designs on the floor. That'll shoot stuff at you from too. Man, seeing triple digit bolts is kind of nice. I really don't ever see it. Like, playing this game casually, you will never see triple digit bolts if you're not purposely trying to go for the Rhino. If we can get to 120,000 by the end of this planet, I think we'll be sitting pretty. Well, let's back up. Just walk up like this. Wait for the next guy, you gotta go. Yeah, normally you would just use your hollow guys to go through this room, and you might not even want to kill these robots, honestly. That's what I used to do when I was a kid, is I would just not even kill these robots. But we're trying to get as much money as possible out of this planet. Yeah, for whatever reason, the dogs won't follow you into these rooms, which, I mean, I guess it makes a little sense, but... Oh, we grabbed all the bolts while we were down here, huh? Let's not... So you see this like little hexagon on the floor? Those will also shoot homing bullets at you. They home in, so you literally cannot dodge them unless they hit an obstacle or something, which obviously they can unless you're like behind a door or something. Is there? Where is it? And look, there's a good sometimes that dog there will glitch out and just never be enemy to you, so he's a good boy. This time he decided he wanted to be bad, so let's not do that. Let's close the door, close the door! God damn it. I probably should have used the Devastator there, but you just close the door and hide. It's no big deal. Here I will use the Devastator. Just because I don't want to walk all the way down to the end of the hall. I'm actually not too sure what that skill point is for. I thought it was doing this whole... Oh no, I think it's by defeating every robot on the cruiser that you get that skill point. Okay, I think here's where we get our last gold bolt for the fleet. We won't be able to get it quite yet, but this is the ship that we get it on. Now, this section of the game is actually a little bit notorious, because you see that there's these, like, guns that are shooting, right? And they're supposed to stop you from being able to walk past this point. So you're supposed to actually go down here and go into the fighter jet, and you're actually supposed to destroy those turrets. But it's actually possible to just walk past all this shit. I'm not going to do it, I'm going to take the intended path, but yeah, speedrunners, when they play this game, they just walk past all those shots. It's actually really easy to dodge them if you know what you're doing. But it's actually not too big of a deal that we're not doing it, because these things are really, really easy to kill. They're gonna drop nothing but health because we're kind of low, but they're super easy to destroy these turrets. You just fly by and shoot your rockets at them and no problem. I'm dead. That guy baited me into doing that. Seriously? Come on, dude. I wish there was a way to, like, do a U-turn. You know, do the loop-de-doop. Okay, let's... Where are we going here? The biggest annoyance here by far is these stupid gunships. They're just essentially always going to be shooting at you. I shouldn't have died that first time, but that freaking enemy baited me into flying into the ship like an idiot. That's the last time we have to use the fighter jet, though, which, thank God. The fighter jet sections in this game are, like, they're cool and everything, but they're kind of a pain in the ass. I don't know why my camera turned around like that. Can we look the direction I need to go, please? So I'm pretty sure I can just do this. For whatever reason, my camera is still not going the direction I need it to go. Let's not head over there. Okay. Oh yeah, no, we do need to go this way. To get the gold bolt, because the end of the planet's through that other door. How do I do this? Oh, apparently they will just run into the laser themselves. That's a good dog. Nope. You are not pressing that button, sir. Try as you might. Are you kidding me, door? I'm gonna take damage. God damn it. And there's our last gold bolt. No problems. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, it's a good thing it's literally the end of the planet. I don't need to worry about my health anymore. So we didn't even make it to 120k.
Tonight on Blind TV, the event you have all been waiting for, the total annihilation of an entire planet! Witness the power, the destruction, and the nothingness that follows. So join Ultimate Supreme Executive Chairman Drek as he pushes the button that ends one world and begins another. Then stay tuned for the galaxy's funniest superhero bloopers featuring Captain Quark.
Now we know where he is. Let's get him.
Yeah. Let's get him. So we didn't even hit 120k before we hit this last planet. But something I think I'm going to do is I'm going to off-screen grind for bolts. I kind of want to use the Rhino on the last planet, just to have some fun, to go out with a bang, So I think it's what I'm going to do. I also need to save up bolts to get the weapon that I need for Orcs on is this one.
Bargains for you today.
You'll see what I mean when I go to use it.
That's a real beauty.
I don't think I'm going to try and grind for more bolts than I have to, because it is going to take a while, so...
That's a real beauty.
Yeah, it's a real beauty. Yeah.